As an admin, you can add new staff users by simply inviting them to create an account in TreatAnyone. To do this, go to the Staff listing page by clicking on Staff in the left navigation bar. Once on the listing page, click on the Invite Staff button at the top of the page. In the Personal Information section, you'll need to fill in the name and email address of the person you want to invite. We'll send the invitation to the email address you provide here. If your practice has multiple locations, you'll also have to decide which of them will be the primary or default location where this individual will work. If the new user has a supervisor, tell us who it is. If the new staff is a regular user with access to all cases in your practice, just click Send to complete the process. However, if you want to give the new staff additional privileges or limit which cases they can access, click Next to go to the next section. Here, you'll be able to define access for the new staff. Staff is the default privilege level and allows the user to perform the most rudimentary actions, like scheduling sessions and creating clinical documentation. Approvers can approve notes and, optionally, clinical reports and assessments. Approvers can approve their own work or the work of others. Supervisors have the responsibility for approving others' clinical documentation and can optionally delegate this work to other approvers or supervisors for additional help. Administrators can access config, define clinical templates, and accept referrals from the waiting room. They can also invite new staff, run operational reports, and configure other aspects of the practice. Since not all administrators treat clients, they may need to be able to manage clinical documentation. Turn off this option if you don't want the new administrator to manipulate notes, clinical reports, assessments, and other items in the case chart. You can also optionally allow the new administrator to manage the TreatAnyone subscription, configure the practice profile, and manage case access for other users. Once you've configured the new staff's privilege level, you'll need to decide what cases they will be able to access. You can limit access by locations, enrollments, and organizations, where the combination of these dimensions becomes more restrictive. For example, if you select Los Angeles as the location and general therapy as the enrollment, the new staff will only be able to see those cases that are assigned to Los Angeles and that are enrolled in general therapy. It's not possible to give a new user a higher privilege or more access than you have yourself. To complete the process, simply click the Send button, and we will email an invitation to the new user. Once they accept the invitation, they will appear as active on the staff listing page.